So when the pigeons went missing for 3 days, my mate said there might have been a kestrel about, and I've got to be careful. Got to be careful. There he is. The magpies don't like him. I can't get any closer, and if I try filming out the downstairs window, it's a wild one. There's no rings on its feet. It's weird, you know. He's gone through the back of the pigeon. I think he'd go through the belly, wouldn't you? But he hasn't. He's gone straight through the back of the pigeon. The pigeon's dead. Oh no, it ain't. Oh my god, the pigeon's not dead. It's eating it alive, man. Oh man, can you imagine that? Oh, it's going straight through the back of its neck, and it's still alive. Oh, poor pigeon. Sorry, it's nature. Oh, that's terrible, isn't it? Oh, I feel like going down and bricking a pigeon now. Can't really though, can I? Can't interfere. Wow. Wow. It's going for the neck now by the looks of it. Put it out its misery. Wow. That's nasty, that, isn't it? Can you imagine someone eating you from your back? You think it'd like go for the jugular or something, wouldn't you? Kill it off. Oh, I'd love to catch him. Excuse me. Do it puts its wing out, maybe. That must like make it feel like it's got nowhere to run to, maybe. Wow. You won't have young this time of year, will it? October. Times like this, you wish you had a good camera. Poor thing. Bloody thing's making a mess of my back garden. Ooh. Oh, man. Bloody thing's still alive, man. Pigeon's still alive, moving its head. Oh, it's going through the side now. Go for the heart, won't it? Yeah, I'm watching you. Evil. Yeah, evil. It's nature. It's nature. Keep telling yourself it's nature. I wonder where this kestrel's living. I hope it don't go for the bats and that as well on the night. And see that here, getting plucked alive and that. Oh. I guess he's going to go for the side in a minute. Yeah. Don't you just wish I had an HD camera? Because I do. See, if I'd seen that later, I'd have thought the cat had done it. In fact, when I first saw the feathers, I thought, bloody cat's done that. And then I saw that thing moving. So I'll have a look downstairs. I might be able to get a better shot with it moving backwards, away from the window a bit. Yeah, it's gone straight through its belly now to its heart, I would imagine. Its head's down now anyway, the pigeon. I think. It's definitely a wild, is it a kestrel? I don't know. I don't know. I'll have a look in book maybe. Somebody will tell me, I'm sure. Yeah, it's gone for the heart. The pigeon's dead now. Evil thing though, it should have gone for the heart first, shouldn't it? Bloody plucking its back and that while it was alive. Oh, actually no, it's just, oh, no. It's not liking that at all. Oh, no, it's still alive. Death throws her. Oh, nasty. Oh, they've been plucking its flying feathers out, well, so it can't go anywhere probably. Yeah, it's going for the heart. Yeah, I think that hopefully was its last bit. Ooh. Not nice, not nice at all. bit more kestrel, hopefully. Thankfully the pigeon's dead now. What bloody mess it's made.